In the Photos app, admins can enable the shared library, allowing other users on the NAS to manage photos and videos together. If a Photos folder already exists in the root directory of the shared folders, it will be used as the shared library by default. The default location is Shared Folder or Photos. To use another folder, go to Custom Location and click Add Folder. The system will automatically scan the selected folder for images and videos. To manage access, click Permission Settings. Add General User. Select a user to grant access to shared library. Use the search to find users quickly. Only one user can be added at a time. Click Apply to save. Admin users have full access by default. Regular users' access is set individually by the admin, such as view, download, upload, or manage. Permissions apply only within the Photos app. On the Permission Settings page, select the user whose access you want to edit and click Set Permissions on the right. Choose Full Permissions to grant full control of the shared library, or select Limited Permissions to customize folder-level permissions. Click the arrow icon to select or deselect all. Permissions for first and second level folders are set independently. Subfolders beneath the second level will inherit the second level folder settings. Click Apply to save. You can return to this page anytime to view, modify, or add more users. To remove a user's access to shared library, click Remove User on the Permission Settings page. Select the user to remove, then click Remove. Go to Photos, Pictures and switch to the Shared Library view. Click plus Add Photos to upload local images or copy files into the shared folder or Photos directory using the files. All authorized NAS users, including the admin, can manage media stored in the shared library. To add photos or videos from the shared library to a standard or smart album, switch from the personal library to the shared library in the photo selection screen. To create a baby album, tap the settings icon in the top right and select AI settings. Download the people recognition model and enable it for the shared library. In advanced settings, choose how many photos you want the system to scan. To rerun the scan, tap Recognize again. Once enabled, the system will scan and categorize faces in the shared library. After a short wait, recognized individuals will appear in the People album. To create the album, return to the Photos page, tap plus, and select Baby Album. On the Person selection screen, switch to the shared library, tick the recognized baby, then tap Next. Complete any additional settings and tap Create Album. You'll now see all identified baby photos within the baby album. Tap plus in the top right to manually add more photos or invite others to upload.